Hey there, are you showing products to your customers that they cannot purchase? Do you have a store full of out of stock products that are difficult to manage? Do you find it hard to keep checking your store for products constantly? We have a solution that helps you hide out of stock products and save your time of updating the products manually. Let me introduce you to AutoHide Soldout products. The app keeps all the products in sync, and when the inventory of products are back in stock, it unhides and makes it available in the store. It also provides notification about products that are low in stock, so you will get an idea of what to restock. Apart from that, the app has a ton of features that we'll get into in the later part. You can toggle this option to enable and disable the app. For the first time, when you will enable the app, you will see a pop-up something like this. App hides any product that is out of stock and will unhide any product that is in stock. So, in case you want to exclude any product from the app, this is the right time to do so. Click on Exclude Products, and here you can exclude products. In fact, you can exclude the entire collection also. Any excluded product will not be touched by the app. It means it will not be hidden or unhidden by the app. Now, go ahead and enable the app. As soon as you enable the app is ready to work. You do not need anything else. Default setting works best in most cases. However, app has so many other features that you can tweak from app settings. Like, app can hide products that doesn't have images, so you do not show products to your customers that doesn't have images. Exclude products that we already discussed. App has two systems to detect out of stock products. App monitors the checkout products in your store. So if any product goes out of stock because of the recent purchase, app will hide the product. App also checks your store on frequent intervals for out of stock products and hides them. You can customize that interval from settings here. If you add new products in your store and want an app to check your store of out of stock products, simply click on Scan Products button. App doesn't just hide out of stock products, it can also hide out of stock variants. For example, in a product, if blue color is out of stock, app will hide blue color. App is packed with many other features that you can explore once you install the app. Give your customers a hassle-free experience by hiding out of stock products and variants to increase sales.